Well, hello, this is Raleigh from Rah10coreZ.io, and I'm just going to show you how to do some airdrops today. So, one way to do it is you just click the drop down or the hamburger, go to blogs, and I clicked on it, so it's taking a second. And then it takes you to the blog page and a nice little directory. Not really nice, but there's one there. And alternatively, you can go to the blogs tab, drop down, and click crypto airdrops. Once you're there, you'll get like a brief explanation of some things, standard stuff that you'll come to expect, and then like tools and stuff. So I'm clicking in that like I'm going in there, but I'm actually just gonna start an airdrop from fresh because those are already posted. It's like this one I'm just gonna have to join a group at first, I believe. Once I get to it, join airdrop, right there it is. So first, join music chat one. Boom, hit the join button at the bottom. That task is done. Hit the back button. Subscribe at their music one channel. Okay, I got hung up on this because I'm commentating right now, but yeah, I kind of look like a goof because I thought this was like some, I don't know, like some crazy Zelda or cryptographic puzzle of cheerleader thingy things, emojis. It's like playing mix and match. I was like, this one matches with that one. And, oh, by God, that one matches with that one. Oh, they all match. What's going on? It took me a moment to click. I was just waking up when I made this. I was gonna make it because the sound recorder I had that went with my thing just was so terrible that I made a silent one, and it confused me even more when I went to go make it the voiceover. So there's me finally figuring out that I think soon enough there's the join button right there at the bottom if you see it. Oh yeah, I got it, join. Okay, then we're on to the next one. Retweet the pin post, and I missed the 5 tag friends because I was just speeding through it. Because I made one last night, it was 27 minutes, and I was like, oh my gosh, nobody's gonna watch a 27-minute tutorial. And so I find that the pin tweet's right there, so I go and retweet it, but I forgot to tag my 5 friends, and I always like to add a little heart, some little love on there, you know, for good luck or whatever. And now I go back to verify it through Telegram. So it's pretty easy to verify those. I think you just press done for joining the groups, like Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. You're gonna have to verify your name on there, and your wallet address will be the same. You'll have to pull it from the desired public key from whichever blockchain they want. That's where I figured it out. So oh yeah, I should be tagging people. So undo the retweet, then redo the retweet as a quote. Did I do that yet? Here we go. Yeah, I was having a rough morning. It's like, oh man, I'm screwing this up so bad, and I'm supposed to be teaching it. Oh man, Rah, you screwing up bad in life. There you go, tag Dre and myself, my business account, and this chick, this lady, and somebody from the Doug community. Now you know exactly how my brain works. I'm playing. Yeah, probably not far off though. So that's a pretty simple breakdown. I think that was really the rest of the tasks. I go through and finish the verification, and a lot of them are gonna be like this. So it's you'll see some that have more social media, some are optional, some are required, and some have like random tasks like the one I posted yesterday where you actually have to have the miner too. So just make sure you read. I obviously didn't, so take advice from what I did wrong at least, and you'll get a referral link at the end when you're done verifying everything. It's ask for your retweet, ask for your Telegram name, and then it's going to ask you other relevant questions. Like if you follow their YouTube channel or something, it's going to ask you what your YouTube username is or anything similar. So you go through and finish that, then you get your referral code, and that's how they usually have the 2 pools, one for referrals, one for just standard entry. And if you start referring, even if you refer like one person, you don't think your chances are that good, Oh well, you can still win. I've won things off of just 1 or 2 referrals, so I know it's possible. But for anybody considering doing this and joining one of these drops, if you win something, please feel free to post it. I think the comment section is gone, but I will add that back, and we have a forum too, where I'll make a section, or I think anybody can make a section on the forum. And what am I doing here? I'm swapping blockchain. Oh, I'm getting my BSC address. I was on the wrong blockchain. Okay, so then I enter my public key. But yeah, feel free to share, comments in the chat room. It might not stay that long, but the forums, those are the last. And I'll make a thread or something here eventually to where you can just like success stories or happy days and all that. So have a good one. I'll make another one, how to make a MetaMask soon. So see you then.